Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an exciting and fascinating branch of science, space chemistry. Space chemistry is the study of the interactions and reactions that occur between chemicals and matter in space, including the solar wind, cosmic rays, and dust particles. One of the most important aspects of space chemistry, the understanding how atoms and molecules form on planets and moons that orbit stars. This process, known as astrophysical reactions, plays a crucial role in the formation of elements and the building of molecules that make up life as we know it. Another important area of space chemistry is the study of extraterrestrial compounds that could potentially be used for future space missions or even on Earth. For example, Martian soil samples could be analyzed for traces of elements that could be used to help us understand the history of the Martian surface and its potential for supporting life. In space chemistry, we also use models to predict the behavior of chemicals in space. These models help us better understand how different factors, such as the solar wind and cosmic rays, affect the composition of space objects and celestial bodies. Lastly, space chemistry is also closely related to the field of plasma physics. Plasma physics is the study of electric and magnetic fields in which charged particles are moving rapidly. In space, plasmas are created by the interactions of cosmic rays, solar flares, and other phenomena. In conclusion, space chemistry is an incredibly exciting and important field that helps us better understand the universe around us, from the formation of atoms and molecules to the potential for life on other planets. This branch of science continues to provide new insights and challenges for future research.